Now in this lesson we'll be doing some work on complementary events. Now PE is the probability of a particular event occurring, and PE dash is the probability of a particular event not occurring. And that's often referred to as the complement or the complementary event of PE. Now just a quick note here, PE dash is often written as PE with a line or a bar over the top of the E, or PE with a squiggly line over the E. Now an important property here, PE plus PE dash will always equal 1 or 100%. Let's look at an example now. We're told a team has a 70% chance of winning their next home game. And we're asked what is the probability the team does not win the game. Well, let's have a look here. There's a 70% chance of winning. So PW, or the probability of winning, is equal to 70%. Now we're looking for the probability that they do not win the game. So we're looking for PW dash. Well, that's going to be equal to 30%. And the reason we know that is because 70% plus 30% is equal to 100%, or 1 whole. Now let's have a look at part B. We're told if we know the team has a 5% chance of drawing the game, what's the probability the team loses the game? Well, let's see what we've got. We've still got this here, the probability of a win is equal to 70%. We also know now though that the probability of drawing a game is equal to 5%. So the 70% and the 5%, so far we've got 75% of our probability taken up. So the probability then that the team loses the game will equal 25%. Once again, we know this because our 70% plus our 5% plus 25% is equal to 100%, or 1 whole. Let's have a look at example 2 now. We're told that Michael grabs a shirt at random from his wardrobe. The probability that it is blue is 2/3 and the probability it is red is 1/5. Now we're asked to find the probability that Michael's shirt is not blue. Well, the first thing we're going to do is note this here. The probability that his shirt is blue is equal to 2/3. And we'll just find the complement of that. So the probability that it's not blue will be equal to 1/3. Once again, 2/3 plus 1/3 is equal to 1 whole, or 100%. Part B, we're asked to find the probability that Michael's shirt is not red. So we'll look here. We note that the probability that it is red is 1/5. We're looking for the complement, or the probability that it's not red, and that'll be equal to 4/5. And just checking those results, 1/5 plus 4/5 is equal to 1 whole, or 100%. Now in part C, we're asked to find the probability that Michael's shirt is neither blue nor red. Well, once again, let's do the opposite. We'll work out the probability that it is blue or red. So the probability of blue is 2/3, red is 1/5. Let's add them together. 2/3 plus 1/5, we get 13/15. So using this result now to find the complement, or the probability that it's not blue or red, well, that'd be equal to 2/15. Same reason as before, 13/15 plus 2/15 is equal to 1 whole, or 100%. Fantastic work. That's our lesson on complementary events done. All the best now as you work your way through the exercise.